Businesses of all sizes need automated processes to optimize their marketing results, increase sales, and generate more profit. But marketing automation always seems too complicated and expensive. At Getresponse, we think exactly the opposite. Whether you're big or small, you deserve scalable marketing automation that brings results. That's why we've created marketing automation that's based on communication workflows that listen and react to your subscribers' behavior. It's made of conditions, filters, and actions that can be arranged like blocks. Customize every aspect of your communication. Actions that trigger the process, message timing, the number of recipients you want to reach, and the content you want to deliver. Now you can trigger a different action or event based on individual activities and properties of your subscribers. All you have to do is drag and drop the specific elements, adjust the details, then join the dots to create a sequence of actions. Effective marketing automation is now within your reach. That's not all. With Getresponse Automation, you can address your customers more personally than before. Assign multiple tags to treat different groups of subscribers in their own special way. Organize customer lists and target your audience more precisely. Engage with those who haven't finished their online purchase. Reach out with targeted messages to cart abandoners and win back your lost revenue. Close more sales and get more engaged leads with website traffic tracking. Convert casual visitors, engage regular customers, track and analyze behavior on your website or eShop. Understand and monetize your subscribers' interests based on the pages they visit, products they purchase, and target them with the following offer. And if you're looking for a way to track and rate interactions, the scoring model will allow you to reward your most loyal customers or identify those whose engagement is dropping. Whether you're big or small, Getresponse Marketing Automation saves you time and money, helps to build more detailed customer profiles, and makes your communication more targeted and profitable.